again with a new recipe. Duck. Have you ever made duck? This is duck breast. Everybody thinks it's complicated. It's not. We're going to treat it like chicken because it's poultry. But we're going to make it a different way because it has a lot of fat. We have to render the fat. So what we're going to do is we're going to score, but not all the way down. Just the skin, just the fat. We're going to score like this. You see, we're not going all the way down. We're just scoring the fat. So, like this. It's such an easy thing, it's such an easy procedure. So, don't let it bother you. Don't let it intimidate you. Don't let anybody intimidate you. Okay? Create your own happiness. This is what I'm doing when I'm cooking. I'm creating my own happiness. I don't depend on other people to make me happy. They can't. They can't even make themselves happy. So I am creating my own happiness every time I do something I love. And this I love. So this is hot, right? This is getting hot. My pan is getting hot. So we're going to put it skin down. But we're going to do that after we season it. So here I have my magic seasonings. Lemon, pepper, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and what am I having? Do you all know what I'm having? Sugar. And a touch of sugar. Okay, the only thing we have to worry is when we deal with poultry and this one here, we have to always wash our hands and our utensils because we don't want to contaminate any surfaces. So here it is. Here it is. Ready to go in the hot pan. And it's going to sizzle. It's sizzling. Look. So, what we want to do now is render the fat. So the fat is going to appear slowly. And it's starting to appear already, look, because it's such a fat thing. Right here. You see? With this fat, we're going to make our sauce. And it's going to be amazing. We're taking all these things away. And we're washing our hands while this is being cooked. Look at all the fat that came out already. There's a lot of fat in this bird. We're gonna cook it both sides, and then we're gonna put it in the oven for, if you like it medium, 8 minutes. If you like it a little bit more done, 10 minutes, 10, 11 minutes. I like it more done. I don't like poultry to be medium because poultry has to be cooked well done. So I will make it about 10 minutes. I will give it about 10 minutes. So actually it's not a difficult piece of meat to cook. You just gotta have a little bit of imagination and it can be done. I'm going to put this beautiful duck breast in this pan and put it in the oven for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to make a beautiful sauce. And see how nice that will be? Using this fat. I'm not going to throw this fat away. This is amazing, delicious thing. Okay, so we're going to put it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. My liking. your timer on so you know what you're doing all the time. So, this is what we're going to use to make our sauce. 1 onion, small onion, okay, and a little bit of dill, not very much, just a touch of dill. And we're going to deglaze with a little bit of wine. Nice red wine, always nice red wine. So nothing is difficult if you know what you're doing. Nothing is difficult. It's always if you don't know, if you walk into a situation that you don't know, and then you know all the questions are happening. So. But this is a nice, easy recipe. Of course, it's a more expensive piece of meat, so you know. But experiment. Experiment. Sometimes experiment. This wine deglazes all the flavors that are in the pan. And what I'm going to use now is Figjam. You can use any kind of jam you like, but I'm going to do it with fig jam today. About 2 tablespoons of fig jam. And it's going to be amazing. This is a wonderful sauce. Going to cook down a little bit. The wine is going to evaporate and it's going to cook down, and we're going to taste it. You know, you have to taste your food. When you make your food, always taste it. Many people don't, but you have to, whether it needs more salt or more pepper or something else to add, you know, while you're creating. Taste your food. Wow, it smells good. Actually, it smells very good. And I'm going to use some salt. And I usually use all the elements that I use in my cooking. In a particular recipe, I will use them just to blend all my flavors. I will not use different flavors. I will try. And if you want, after you can, you know, pass it to the sheet, but I will not. I like my sauce the way it is. I don't like that I don't mind that I see my onion. I don't like that I see my fig. How I'm going to serve this? With some nice mashed potato and a cucumber salad. I have a cucumber salad here. So this needs a few minutes to cook down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use just a bit of flour to thicken it up. And it's ready. Look at it, nice and thick. You can use cornstarch, you can use mashed potato flour, you can use whatever you want. I have no problem with flour. It's ready. I love the consistency, I think it's ready. Now I'm going to taste something I have to do. I don't. See what it needs. I think it needs a bit more heat, like red pepper flakes or pepper. It needs nothing. It's perfect. I'm gonna keep this on the side. We finished the beautiful recipe.